This is just the final printed section that you have. And again, you just want to double check that you have the font is correct before you print it. This is the Cooper. You've placed your name inside one of them. The registration mark is done in Helvetica. You've gone and done and printed on the Illustrator file a bleed so that this image goes all the way to the edge. However, you'll see that in the file, when it's printed on the digital printer, it doesn't print all the way to the edge, otherwise it would print on the rollers inside the printer. So you're going to end up with about an eighth of an inch gap right there. Your ingredients also would go to a bleed, so you see it cuts itself off right there. Okay? So all you need to do is to establish a clean edge on one of these pieces. So just going to take a ruler, and if you take the edge right here, you see that you want to kind of create your own bleed right here. So here's the edge. I'm just taking a pen or pencil and just light enough but dark enough to see it, and just draw a straight edge line right there with your architect scale. Then go ahead and take the scissors and cut this out very easily here. And if anything, cut to the left of the mark so that you're cutting it off, because you don't really want the line to be there. So it's a good guide. Try to get it as straight as you can. Practice your cutting skills. Okay. And that's the part that's going to be seen. And again, this is the part that you place. So when you get it positioned, to show it to you in the second part, you can just simply roll this and see that if I'm off here, I can adjust this paper just a little bit so it matches. So now when I wrap this around, it makes it a nice even cut right there. Almost even, so just adjust it as you go. And then this is the part that you end up taping right here and twisting for the final piece. But once you print it, take the part to make the bleed yourself, and you can see that that's the part that's cut off, and that's the part is this cut off from.